What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like a completely different person doing these videos now. I am so excited to be back on YouTube. So much has happened since I posted my last video about 2 years ago. And since I posted that, I was pregnant when I posted it. I've had a baby. Ethan started a business. We bought our first rental property. We renovated it. We're getting it ready right now for renters. And I got to enjoy an extra extended maternity leave, which actually started when I was pregnant because I was so horrifically sick. When we actually took pictures for the house payoff announcement and all that, we took some baby announcement pictures too, and I was like throwing up right after this picture was taken. When I recorded the last video that I posted, I was like throwing up in between takes. It was so terrible. Anyway, I am back and I'm so pumped. Just to prep you guys, I'm never gonna do weekly videos again because that was brutal, but I do have some really exciting videos in the pipeline, including an update of FCMT, Dave Ramsey's Financial Coach Master Training, with all of the updates that they've added in the last couple years. My original video that I did of FCMT is from 2020, so this new update is going to be juicy. Also, I'm gonna do a video, or maybe a couple videos, I haven't decided yet, walking you through cash flow forms. Basically, I'm going to be using real life anonymous client cash flow forms that I've received, and I'm going to be walking you through those forms and really showing you what are some of the glaring emergencies that I see, what are some maybe red flags, what are some things I would suggest, and then ultimately how I would prepare for that first session with that client. I'm really excited about those. I just think there's something so practical about seeing real life numbers, like seeing situations that you could come into contact with, what I would suggest you do or what I've already done with the client, and then hopefully that'll take away some of the imposter syndrome that you might have. Another topic that I'm going to be adding to the channel that I'm really excited about is talking to your kids about money and wealth. And when I say kids, I'm talking about as young as toddlers, and I'm going to be sharing what I'm doing with Kyla right now, and she's not even 2 years old yet, so I can't wait to bring you guys along on that journey as well. When I was thinking about coming back to YouTube over the summer, I started to have a lot of imposter syndrome and doubts creep in. In 2021, I had fulfilled my why that I had when I started this business in 2017, and that was I wanted to stay home when we had kids, I wanted to pay off the house, I wanted to work on my terms. So when I wanted to start making videos again, I was really floundering with what type of content I wanted to pursue. I felt so disconnected from my audience. I then get an email notification that one of my coaches, Doug, had commented on one of my modules in my Become a Coach program, the pricing and mindset module. And he commented this. He said, "Imposter syndrome, it's a thing. Loved the part about really getting strong on your why, and that will melt away at the imposter syndrome. So true. Thanks, Jess." And that was it. In the moment, it kind of dawned on me, I need a new why. My why before was so big and so intense, and it demanded so much of me. I mean, I really squeezed a decade's worth of work and income into about 3.5 years. It was literally insane. And I'm not trying to match the pace that I had before, not even close. I've also grown, and I know that I'm not trying to help everyone. I'm trying to help people that want help, and there's a lot less resistance and a lot less guilt that way. And that's why my new why is that I'm truly a teacher at heart and a creator. I want to share with you guys what I'm doing, what I'm learning, to hopefully inspire and equip you. And what I love about this new why is that it's very open-ended in nature. It's very feminine in that way too. My why before was very masculine and very measurable, make X amount of money, make sure that the house is paid off. It's like do all this insane amount of work, and then it's pass fail. That masculine energy, that very achievement oriented behavior really drove my business from 2017 to 2021. And I'm not putting it down at all. It made it very successful, but I'm just excited to really approach my business in a different way and have that different energy moving forward. Being able to create content because I have something that I want to share feels so different from I have to share something because it's a new week and a new video has to go out. I hope you can hear the difference there, and I really hope you can see the difference in my videos that are to come. Let me know in the comments down below which video you are most excited about, and I'll see you in the next one.